There are so many traditional remedies that I learned from my mother and my grandmother to share in this one segment. Here are some of the remedies I use often, especially with our grandchildren. For example, lemongrass tea for cold and fever, mint leaf or tea for upset stomach, nausea, with grandkids eating a lot of junk food, you need to have mint leaf around. Raw ginger or, make it into a tea for coughs. Red lavender made into a tea to relieve stress and for occasional insomnia. Soaked pineapple skin or soursop leaf for pain, reduce swelling and strain. My mother used to make this for my son a lot because he played football. He played a lot of sports. So whenever he had like any kind of sprain, strain, or whatnot, any ankle twist, my mom would soak the pineapple skin to make it soft, and she would wrap it around the affected area with a gauze around it, and then, it would help with the pain and it would relieve the swelling. So I swear by that. It worked for my son. I saw it. And then finally, I use sage to cleanse our home and to create a relaxing environment. Also, don't forget Vicks for everything. That's a Central America Caribbean thing.
Thank you, Mama God, for the information. This is amazing. Thank you for passing this knowledge. It is important for the new generations to rely and continue to rely on home remedies and also natural medicines, as opposed to just relying on chemicals. If you have any comments, if you would like to tell us how or what remedies you remember taking as a child from your grandmother, from your mom, or from any relative who just came from back home, whether it was Guatemala, Honduras, Belize, Nicaragua, or even St. Vincent and the Grenadines, please share that knowledge in our comments.